Picture an average office in 2023. Endless meetings, overflowing inboxes, and the constant ping of notifications. That was us at MoneyWise Financial. Just another company drowning in data but starving for insights. Our Neural Organization Index showed we were operating at just 34% capacity. In other words, we were running a Ferrari on bicycle power. Then came the announcement that changed everything. We're implementing AI across all departments. Cue the nervous laughter and panicked Google searches for, how to prevent AI from stealing my job. Spoiler alert. That's not what happened. Not even close. Let me share some numbers that'll blow your mind. Within a year, our decision-making speed increased by 289%. That's not a typo. We went from, can barely decide where to get lunch, to, running a Fortune 500 inches practically overnight. But the real story isn't in the numbers, it's in what happened to our people. Take our healthcare division. Before AI, our doctors spent most of their time buried in paperwork. Now, they can see 4 times more patients while actually having time to perfect their bedside manner. One doctor even started a weekly meditation session. Trust me, nobody saw that coming. Over in manufacturing, quality control went from squinting at products to something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Our AI systems can spot defects faster than a caffeine-powered perfectionist. Though there was that one time it rejected a whole batch because it thought artistic lens flare was a defect. Even AI can be a critic. The trading floor transformed from a chaos of screaming brokers into something more zen. Now our traders calmly sip their morning coffee while AI monitors market patterns. Don't worry, the AI still knows how to panic sell with the best of them. It just does it more efficiently. But here's where it gets really interesting. We started seeing new job titles pop up that sound like they're from the year 3000. Cognitive Enhancement Specialists. Think personal trainers for your brain. Eye-brain interface architects, the interior designers of your digital life. And my personal favorite, neural evolution architects, because apparently, someone needs to design how humans and AI groove together. Remember when metrics meant endless Excel sheets and quarterly reviews? Now our AI assistant can tell us exactly how we're doing in real time. It even sends the data in meme format because apparently, it figured out that's how humans actually pay attention. Our engagement rates have never been higher, even if our meetings occasionally include references to SpongeBob. The cultural shift was like watching a giraffe learn to dance, awkward at first, but surprisingly graceful once it found its rhythm. Our AI learned to adapt to different working styles across global teams. It turns out cultural intelligence isn't just for humans anymore. Though we did have to explain why not every silence in a Japanese video call means someone disagrees. Let's talk about what happened to meetings. Remember those hour-long sessions that could have been emails? Gone. Our AI now optimizes every gathering for maximum efficiency and minimum existential dread. It even factors in post-lunch food comas when scheduling important discussions. Finally, technology that understands the real human condition. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Like that time our AI tried to optimize coffee breaks using quantum computing. Or when it took, think outside the box, literally, and rearranged all our cubicles into spheres. Innovation is messy, folks. The biggest surprise? AI didn't replace the human elements of our work, it amplified them. When you're not spending hours on mundane tasks, you have time for the things that really matter. Creative problem solving. Building relationships. Actually listening to that one colleague who always has a quick question that turns into a life story. Our office became a place where human skills are more valuable than ever. Empathy, creativity, critical thinking. Turns out these are pretty hard to replicate with code. Even our most tech-savvy AI engineers admit that some problems still need that human touch. Like explaining why the office plants don't need their own LinkedIn profiles, no matter how much the AI insists on professional development for all entities. the transformation changed how we measure success too. It's not just about productivity metrics anymore. We look at things like innovation rate, employee satisfaction, and how many times people actually laugh in meetings. Yes, that's a real metric now. Our AI takes job satisfaction seriously, sometimes too seriously. Last week it suggested installing a slide between floors for optimal employee joy trajectories. As we push into 2025, the line between human and artificial intelligence keeps getting more interesting. We're not replacing humans with machines, we're creating something entirely new. A workplace where technology handles the heavy lifting while humans focus on what they do best, being human. The future of work isn't about robots taking over. It's about finding the sweet spot where human creativity meets artificial intelligence. Where efficiency meets empathy. Where, out of office, replies are actually honest about why you're not working. "Sorry, I'm attending my cat's quinceañera," is now an acceptable excuse, thanks to our AI's evolving understanding of work-life balance. Looking back at our 34% efficiency rating feels like remembering flip phones. Nostalgic but slightly embarrassing. Now we're operating at peak performance, not because we became machines, but because we learned to be better humans. With a little help from our AI friends. So what's next for the AI-enhanced workplace? Well, our neural evolution team has some wild ideas involving quantum computing and casual Friday optimizations. The cafeteria AI is campaigning for a pizza-only menu based on comprehensive happiness analytics. And someone in IT swears they're close to teaching the AI to understand sarcasm, though I'll believe that when I see it. But that's the beauty of this revolution. Every day brings something new, something unexpected, something wonderfully human. We're not just working with AI, we're growing with it. Creating a future where technology doesn't replace human connection, it enables it. And yes, sometimes our AI still orders too much pizza when someone mentions being hungry in a meeting. But maybe that's not a bug, maybe it's a feature. Because in the end, the best workplace innovations aren't just about efficiency. They're about creating a space where people actually want to be. Even if that space occasionally includes unexpected pizza parties. Welcome to the future of work. It's weird, it's wonderful, and it's more human than ever. Just don't ask the AI to optimize your coffee breaks. Trust me on that one.